Hello friends, welcome to the Trading Temple channel. Today we're going to analyze the Near protocol chart and also take a quick look at the Bitcoin chart. As you know, the crypto market had a sharp drop yesterday and Near protocol's price fell by nearly 10%. And after 11 months of being in this range, the price finally broke out and unfortunately it broke downward, not upward. What you can see here is that the price was in this hard range. Right here, it had a very strong support level. It was close to $2. This support level, and after several attempts to get a good bounce and bring back the momentum, obviously it couldn't bring the momentum back to the Near protocol. This significant range was decisively broken downward, and now, as you can clearly see, with this particular range having been broken, you can confidently look for its very next important target. From this particular point on, usually when a financial chart, a specific price, or an underlying asset is actively moving within a defined range, you can take the target from the top to the bottom, draw a line, and bring it down to the lowest level of the range. Take that, and when it breaks out, you set it there. You can see that the price could potentially drop to almost the lowest level that the Near protocol has ever reached, meaning it could go down to around $1. The price could fall. This target is a medium to long-term target, but what's important for Near protocol is that there could be some changes in this situation. Because as I've always said, trading is never 100% certain and everything is tied to probability. The first stage of support level that Near protocol has is in this area. There is no support in this region, and the price could drop sharply and reach the area I've marked here. But in another scenario, Near protocol might not reach that area. What scenario is that? It's when the price manages to climb back above this resistance that has formed here, meaning the price goes back up and does a backtest here, tests this area as a support level, and manages to hold itself within this region. In this scenario, Near protocol's price could go up and move back above this resistance, although that's unlikely because most of the coins I'm seeing on TradingView all had a similar range. And this range, once they broke it to the downside, they continued moving down, and the only thing that what remains for Near protocol in this situation is that Near protocol comes toward this area and tests this section. For the first time, it hits that remaining resistance and gets rejected and will move lower. As long as it doesn't move back above this resistance, there's nothing in Near. The protocol is not bullish. All this price action that you see right now with Near protocol going up nearly 4%, it's all short term. The price comes here, tests this area, and there's about an 80% chance it will get rejected here. Because most traders are in this zone, when they see such a heavy resistance, they open their short positions and get the best risk to reward ratios. Until the price shows something else, if the price can move back above this resistance and confirm it, if it can hold this area as a support level, then the story changes completely. And the chances of Near protocol's price bouncing back and heading toward $3 become much higher. But as long as it's below this resistance, everything is bearish, and there's a 70 to 80% chance that it will get rejected in this area and the price will drop. In the market cap of Near protocol, you can see that the market cap chart is always different from the price chart of a coin because these coins are inflationary. As you can see here, there was a very strong support level. The market cap of Near protocol, which, for the first time in several years, has clearly broken below this support level. It's clear that things have really gone bad for Near protocol, and it's facing a very tough situation. You can see here during this sharp upward move it had, the next support levels it might find are quite far away. For example, you can try to find a support level in its market cap chart. For example, you can find it on this side, which is almost possible. It can be said that Near protocol's market cap might drop another 20 to 25%, and everything could go back to square one for it. Near protocol and the entire crypto market have almost entered a severe bear market, even Bitcoin itself. As long as Near protocol is below this resistance, there's nothing bullish about it. Alright, let's take a quick look at the Bitcoin chart as well. We've talked a lot about this 4-hour resistance on Bitcoin. We said there's a possibility that Bitcoin's price could reach $100,000 and test this higher resistance, but the price didn't get there. At that point, and in this same 4-hour time frame, if we look here, there was a resistance and the price was rejected from there, but it still hasn't made a new lower low. It's not confirmed yet whether it has really been rejected or not. If it makes a new lower low, that means it's confirmed. This can act as a strong resistance, and it has done so. The next support level that Bitcoin might see is that there's a possibility Bitcoin could drop to around $75,000 unless it bounces back up, fills this gap, and moves higher. It needs to break through this resistance on the 4-hour chart and head toward $100,000. And then it could get rejected there. For now, there's nothing bullish about Bitcoin. Everything indicates that we're in a heavy bear market, and Bitcoin's next target is roughly between $70,000 and $75,000, which is basically around its previous all-time highs. That means in this area, it has a very strong support, and Bitcoin can come down to around here and fill the gap it created here. For now, let's see what happens to Bitcoin in the next few days. For now, there's still a chance that Bitcoin could bounce back, make another leg up, fill this area, and then get rejected. There's also another possibility that the price could just go up and fill the gap it created here, and then get rejected again and go down. The likelihood of this move is higher. That is, it could go and fill this gap that was created here on the 4-hour time frame and then get rejected. In this scenario, Near protocol might reach the target we've set, meaning the price target we've placed here could be reached in this area. Because there's a strong move that Bitcoin could make, that's about a 10 to 12% decrease. And that could indicate that Near protocol might also drop by nearly another 20%. Its price could fall. But this process might take a little while because the market is very oversold and there could be a good bounce in the market, which could be taken advantage of. I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. That was today's video about Near Protocol. Unfortunately, Near Protocol has lost its main support. For now, let's see what happens in the next few days. Until the next video, goodbye.